Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashi Adani and for today's video we are trying YouTubers' favorite childhood tiffin recipes. So let's get started. Honestly, I'm so excited about this video because these are easy, quick, super nostalgic, and some of these I've never heard of. So very excited to try them out. Let's start with the first recipe. It's from Yashita Rai.
Hi Ashi, so one of my favorite school tiffin lunch was सूजी टोस्ट जिसको मम्मी हमें ब्रेड पिज़्ज़ा बोल के देती थी. मतलब अभी तक आई कॉल इट ब्रेड पिज़्ज़ा ओनली, बट इट इज़ सो डिलिशियस. सो बेसिकली यू विल हैव टू मेक अ सूजी बैटर with dahi, and you can add your favorite veggies like tomato, onion, capsicum, and then you have to basically spread it on your toast and then toast your bread. I'll send you a detailed recipe so that you can follow it correctly, but it is very delicious and मुझे बचपन से बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, so I think you will enjoy it.
You guys are aware that my cooking skills are zero. My mom has very kindly at least like prepped things for me and kept, and I'm gonna try to make it. Seems easy so far. Now let's see how I make it. For Yashita's recipe, we have the suji and the curd and the veggies all ready in one mix. इसको बस bread पे लगाना है. So I'm gonna do that. I actually like we call suji rava in my house. So I was telling my mom कि oh shit suji मंगवाना पड़ेगा, and she's like you literally eat suji every day, almost every day, and I was like no I don't. I've never heard of suji in my life, and she's like वो रवा होता है. Here I'm just like plating it, and I have to cook it. So I'm gonna do that. ધીમું રહેવા દો. હા એટલે જ મેં કીધું કે આ થઈ ગયું. Mother dearest has flipped the suji and she said let it cook for 5 minutes. I think this is also good to go. Yeah boy, it's ready. I think this was a little intense cooking for me, so I was a little scared, but I think it turned out quite fine. This tastes so good, so yummy. I love upma. Okay, firstly I love upma. Putting it on bread with veggies, and I've taken a little ketchup क्योंकि dry लगा मुझे. But oh my god, I have never had this in my life. My mom did say कि मैं बचपन में खाती थी, but I actually have no memory of this. So I really like it, and it was barely any prep time and quite easy to make if you know how to cook. And I would give this a solid 9 out of 10. It's actually too good. You have to try it. Next, we've got Ishita's Tiffin Wali Maggie.
My favorite school tiffin recipe has to be the tiffin wali Maggie. There was just something about it. It used to take the shape of the tiffin and used to be like this big piece of cake that you would dig into. Uska kuch maza hi alag tha. I used to love it.
Ishita's recipe is just Thandi Maggie. So I actually मैं इसको बना के रखूंगी, but I'm going to let it cool down in this Tupperware का डब्बा so that it can get the shape, the square shape that she's spoken about. So I'm just quickly gonna make Maggie, and I'm going to make it how these Nestle people intended to make it, not add any Szechuan and cheese and all of that good stuff. We are just like बचपन में तो मैं सिर्फ just one packet masala and one Maggie was my thing. I didn't like cold Maggie in school. So I never really took it as a tiffin. I think once maybe, and I really didn't like it. So मैं tiffin में actually नहीं लेके जाती थी Maggie. Maggie is good to go. I'm just gonna imagine like my kid is late to school, and I'm just quickly gonna fill it like a अभी तक कपड़े नहीं पहने तूने. I told you I'm going to let this cool in a tiffin box in a proper Tupperware का डब्बा. Proper ठंडी और square हो गई है मेरी Maggie. I can feel a little warmth. इतनी भी ठंडी नहीं हुई है, but it's cold. Like I have to break it in. You just can't go wrong with it. I think over time I have perfected the perfect Maggie recipe with Szechuan sauce and cheese and extra masala, and I feel like as we are growing up, our palate has developed, and we need more flavor. But I feel like as a child, this works just fine. I mentioned I don't personally like thandi Maggie. I like it to be like little gravy wala and garam. So not my most favorite. And I know a lot of people love this, have loved this, continue loving it. So I'm gonna give this an 8 on 10. Next we've got Preeti Sarkar's Roti Jam.
So my mom is a nursing staff, so she did not get a lot of time to make tiffin, but there was one thing that she did and which was very delicious and easy to make. So all you have to do is take a roti and then put jam on top of it, and then you roll it, and that's it. I don't know what it is called, jam roll or something. I don't know, but it's very easy to make, and I think you'll love it because the flavor of roti and jam, it sits perfectly. Try it.
Preeti's recipe is my favorite because उसमें सिर्फ 2 ingredients चाहिए, roti and jam. I have 2 options actually. I have like this fancy healthy mango honey jam, but let's be real, बचपन में हम सब किसान fruit jam खाते थे, so that's what we are having. My God, I've not had jam in so long. When was the last time you had jam? The sugar, oh my God. Guys, also so many recipes have like bread. And why have we villainized bread? Like, I'm having so much white bread after so long. But अभी वैसा mindset ही बन गया कि oh, white bread is not good for you. So I don't have it anymore. So I'm just gonna spread it. I used to like a lot of jam. मैं बहुत खाती थी बचपन में jam. And I also used to do my Guju version of this, which was thepla. और उसके अंदर तुम ऐसे ही ketchup spread करके make like fold it and you take it like to school. And that was amazing. Roti and jam also was fine. Also, it's a very Jain household thing. I don't know if you guys know, but roti and papad की सब्जी. जब मैं रोटी लेके जाती थी, I used to take papad की सब्जी in school. And everyone used to be like, what's that? But it was so good. And this is ready. Initially, she had shared another recipe, but it had some non-vegetarian element. So I was like, I'm a vegetarian, please can you suggest something else? And she suggested this, and without trying, I know this is a 10 on 10. Like, it barely took 3 seconds to make. It's sugary, it's carby, it's sweet. Can't go wrong with this. Like, till now, can have this every single day. Shouldn't, but I can. क्या ही बोलूँ इसमें, solid 10 on 10 है. Next we've got Shivani's potato sandwich.
I actually loved your concept and I hope you love my recipe too. So it's boiled potato sandwich. तो bread slices पे अच्छा खासा अमूल बटर लगाना है and coriander chutney and hot and sweet वाला tomato ketchup and cut एकदम tiny slices of potato. ये सब कुछ लगा के ऊपर से चाट मसाला ऐड करना है and that's it. तो पक्का बताना अच्छा लगा या नहीं.
I actually don't eat a lot of potato. I don't like potato. तो मैंने कभी ये sandwich खाई नहीं है. I'm excited to see how it turns out. Should be tasty only. It's sandwich at the end of the day. She's asked to take 2 slices of bread and butter them. I'm gonna do that. We didn't have butter at home, and I've just ordered butter. Most of these things वैसे मेरे घर में थी. Very few things I had to order for this video, which is like fab. फिर इसमें ऐड करनी है चटनी. I'm gonna put like less because as a child you wouldn't eat something that spicy. Something else that she made me order, by the way, for this video specifically, matlab she didn't make me, it is part of her recipe. Hot sauce, hot and sweet tomato ketchup. I didn't know this was a thing, so we're gonna order it. Abhi can opener kidhar se launga? Actually, don't know how much to add, so I'm just gonna eyeball it a bit. Should be fine. Again, gonna spread it. Abhi iske upar we are supposed to add aloo slices. These are boiled and chopped. And she said chaat masala. Honestly, seems quite flavorful as a recipe. I don't think she mentioned isko cook karna hai ki nahi karna hai. I don't think we have to grill this. If we have to, I apologize, but I don't think we have to grill this, so I'm just gonna plate it. Like I mentioned, I don't really like potatoes, and even in my sandwich I just tell them potato mat dalna. But this honestly feels quite flavorful while I was making it. Super easy to make, by the way, like takes no skill to make this. Let's try it. As expected, super flavorful, especially that hot and sour, hot and sweet जो भी sauce था. I think that really pulls this whole thing together with flavor. The butter, I can taste the butter. Oh my god, it's amazing. I kind of do miss having a little bit of a crunch, if you know what I mean. Like अगर इसमें cucumber होता तो I would have more fun. But clearly, I like it. I'm eating it a lot. I'm gonna give this a solid 8.5 on 10. Next, we got Nisman's bread pizza.
A childhood tiffin box recipe which I loved as a child was this pizza but in a sandwich form. तो basically हमें white bread या brown bread कोई भी bread लेना है. बचपन में तो healthy breads नहीं आते थे and वो breads को proper ऐसे मतलब 2 slice लेके अंदर डालना है हमको pizza pasta sauce which is ready made कोई भी एक अच्छी कंपनी का. If you make it at home तो बहुत बढ़िया हो जाएगा. So pizza pasta sauce लगाना है, उसके ऊपर लगाना है हमको cheese slice and some vegetables of your choice and then just combine it. थोड़ा सा उसको पैन में ऐसे ऐसे कर दो ताकि चीज मेल्ट हो जाए पिज्जा पास्ता सॉस के साथ and बढ़िया.
Nisman's recipe again has bread. I've ordered pasta and pizza sauce. I don't know if you're supposed to shake it, I just am. So she said take 2 slices, add some pizza pasta sauce on it. I'm gonna be generous with this. We're gonna spread it. अंदर असली टमाटर आते हैं. I did not know this. Okay, ready. उस पे एक चीज स्लाइस ऐड करनी है. Everything is little melted because of how hot it is right now. I'm just gonna add on one side. Then she said add capsicum, tomato and onion. तो मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा सब डाल रही हूँ. Capsicum, tomato, onion. बन गया sandwich. I'm just going to close it and we're going to quickly cook it on the pan. Nisman's bread pizza is ready. It's perfectly toasted. I'm just going to divide it. Again, not something I've had before, but in theory, it sounds fabulous. Like, what could go wrong? There's cheese, there's sauce, there's veggies, there's bread. What can go wrong? Nothing. It tastes like Indian pizza. You know, the stuff you get at like your Sukh Sagars and Shiv Sagars, that tiny thing. It tastes exactly like that, and I'm so happy there's cheese in this because I can taste the cheese ka flavor and I'm loving it. It's so freaking good. You guys have to try this one. Like, you have to try it. 10 on 10. Next, we've got Ashi Khanna's bread poha.
Hi Ashi, thank you so much for having me here on your channel. So टिफिन रेसिपीज आपने मुझसे पूछा था मेरी फेवरेट, उसमें से एक मैं आपको आज बताती हूँ. I still love bread poha. So what you have to do is you have to just dice bread छोटे छोटे pieces में, square pieces में, and then you have to cook it in tomato puree, veggies of your choice जो भी आप ऐड कर सकते हो. 1 spoon of pasta sauce and lots of seasonings जो भी आपको पसंद है, मैं तो सब डाल देती हूँ. And you can also add a little bit of tomato ketchup if you want. And yes, बहुत easy है and बहुत tasty लगता है मुझे. And I am a major bread lover, so I used to love this back in school and I love it till now. And I hope you like it as well. आपको अपने according preference के according जो भी veggies add करनी है आप उसको करो. And yep, let me know how do you like it. Lots of love. Thank you for having me here.
Ashi Khanna's bread poha is something I have never tried. I love poha, but I like make it normally जैसे poha बनता है. So this is going to be exciting. First, we're going to dice some bread. I think मैं थोड़े बड़े pieces छोड़ रही हूँ so that it doesn't get melted in the thing. I've taken 2 bread pieces. Kadai, adding some tomato puree जो already ready है. She specifically said corn, so I'm just gonna add it. And capsicum, that's it. 1 tablespoon pasta sauce, 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup, chili flakes and oregano, and in goes the bread. Maybe, just maybe, my puree to bread ratio was a little off, like probably had less puree, but I've tried to fix it by adding a little bit of water so that the bread doesn't get too soggy. I think it's ready. It was quite quick, honestly. Garma garam bread poha ready. It's here. मैं पहली बार खा रही हूँ लाइफ में. I don't know what to expect. Oh, but why does this taste insane? Like, I really thought I messed up this recipe with the puree to bread ratio, but oh my god, it's perfect. Like, I don't feel like ये ज़्यादा टमेटो ही होना चाहिए था या फिर ज़्यादा bread है. It's perfect. I can't believe I've never tried this before. I genuinely had never heard of this and I can't believe it. Like, solid 10 on 10. Too good. Last but not the least, we have Anushka's YY Bhel.
Hi Ashi, it's me Anushka. I am so excited to be doing this. So my favorite school tiffin recipe as a kid was actually something really unusual. My mom used to pack me dry YY bhel as my school tiffin on days when she would not have a lot of time in her hands, and it tasted so good. For those of you who don't know, YY is just like Maggi. It's like instant noodles, but you can have it cooked as well as dry. And I used to love having it in its dry form, okay? So basically my mom used to like crush the dry YY, mix all the seasonings, put some chopped cucumber, and that's it. It tasted so good. It was like a proper snack, okay? And I was one of those kids who did not enjoy having a lot of heavy stuff in her tiffin. I would love having snacks that made me feel really cool. So every time I would carry dry YY bhel as my tiffin, I would be really happy. My friends would be really happy, and it's amazing. It's so yummy. You should try it.
Anushka's recipe is quite interesting. मुझे YY का छोटा पैकेट नहीं मिला, so this is what we're working with. I'm taking a big mixing bowl for this one. 1 packet YY, and we have to crush it. I don't know how though. Muscles. It's actually very easy to crush, not gonna lie. Okay, so in the bale, she has asked to add cucumber, tomato, coriander, lemon, ketchup, and I'm putting 1 spoon of chutney, and let's mix it. It does look like legit bhel minus the mamra. Okay, full disclosure, मैंने एक ऐसी recipe try की थी in Jan with Maggi, like Maggi bhel, and I did not like that because Maggi का बहुत ही आटे वाला flavor था. Now, YY ideally is something you can have dry, like she mentioned, so hopefully it's not bad. It's so much better. It's way better than Maggi bhel. It's crunchy, aate wala taste nahi hai. And there's veggies, there's chutney, there's lemon. It's perfect. I quite like it. It's a solid 9 on 10. And that's about it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, comment below, and tell me your childhood tiffin recipe. I'd love to try it out. I'll see you guys next Saturday. Bye.